Professor Robert Nicholls spoke about the ESPA Deltas project. So how would you describe this project?
Well, this project is looking at the future of the Ganges-Brahmaputra Delta, where 130 million people live. And deltas worldwide have 500 million people living in them, and they're very vulnerable to environmental change, which threatens the livelihoods of the people in the deltas, particularly the kind of ecosystem services they depend upon. So we're trying to understand these relationships and then help people to manage these challenges.
So how would you characterize the greatest threats?
Well, in deltas, there are multiple threats. So we have things like global sea level rise is a long-term threat. Many deltas are sinking. That's another long-term threat. The catchments, I mean, often the upstream catchments are getting dammed, and so less fresh water coming in, less sediment. And then the deltas themselves, often there's urbanization going on. There's many major land cover change. So it's a lot of different things, and they're happening at different scales. So it's quite challenging to understand.
So what's the emerging thinking from this project?
Well, we're at early days in the project, so right now we're trying to build an integrated model which we're developing with our colleagues in Bangladesh to address the concerns that they have. So I think the key thing at the moment is we're defining the issues that concern them. We're building this modelling framework which can work with them, and we plan to use that in the future, but we don't really have any results at this time.
And what impact are you foreseeing from the project?
Well, I think this is really about informing the policy in Bangladesh and looking at the things that the Bangladeshi government and the Bangladeshi society can control, and helping them to understand the trade-offs between different choices. You can't have your cake and eat it. I think if you make one decision, you'll get certain things. If you make another, you'll get other things, and helping them to see those choices and actually inform them so that they plan for the long term.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.